Okay, there you go.
Excuse me, teacher, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly. Yeah, that's good. The roosters here class
I'm
are,
just
yeah.
taking.
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you earlier very loud and clear, but your voice now is cracking. But it's okay, so everyone, can you see my screen now?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Thank you. All right. So, good morning, everyone. Good morning, grade 3B students. I am teacher Giselle once again, so I'll be the one handling your lesson for today. Okay, so, all right. So, class, before we go on to our lesson today, can I request everyone to please search for class point app join in your, you can use your phone or your laptop or your computer for that. Yeah, this one. Okay, can you try?
Teacher, what is the code?
Okay, the code is 15460. Can you see the number here in the upper right?
Teacher, I can search it.
You search class point join. That's one, class point join.
What is the code again?
The code is 15460.
Excuse me, teacher. What is it this one? Class point up, enter class code and join?
Join, yeah, that one, join. Okay, I will write the code here.
Should we write our full name, teacher?
It's okay.
Teacher.
Yeah, Casey, you can write your, you can just write your nickname, your first name.
Teacher.
Teacher, I
Excuse me,
can
teacher.
15460.
Excuse me,
Yes.
teacher.
Yes.
What is the code?
Okay, I'm gonna write it here so everyone can see it. Okay.
Teacher.
15460.
Yes. Okay, here. All right, this is the code, everyone.
Let me see.
Okay. Can you see it?
Why is
154. I'm sorry,
why
it's
Did you
okay.
change it?
No, it's 60. I'm sorry. So it's okay. Just a typo.
Okay. It's not letting me. I already joined.
Okay, that's good. So yeah, teachers, you can also try.
Teacher, what's the code?
I already flashed on the screen the code 15460.
Bro,
Okay, and after that you can see actually the presentation on your phone.
well, I'm using my laptop.
Teacher.
Yes.
Name?
Yeah, you just need to join, and then after that, okay, you just, yeah, after joining, you just stay on that, and then because we will use that in our some of our activities later. Okay, I will just instruct
So we're
you.
just gonna wait there.
Yes, but
Ready, join, teacher.
okay. All right, that's good. Thank you, everyone.
I can't download it.
All right,
It's not
now
letting me.
everyone is already there.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you please write your name?
And
Can you please write your name?
No. Teacher, I can't download it. It's not letting me. You don't download it, I think. I don't think you need to download it.
You just need to search for it and then join. Yeah, I see names here. Isaac, Adriel.
Isaac. What was
Teacher, I'm Lucky.
okay?
I have slow internet connection. I lost my
I
internet.
see. I see.
Let's see.
Okay. All right. So, class,
Teacher.
I appreciate that one. Maybe let's just proceed to our lesson today. It's okay
Sorry,
if you were
teacher, I
able to
lost my
join or not.
internet.
Yeah, it's okay. No worries, Casey. Okay, so everyone, before we go on, let's start first with our prayer.
Okay,
Okay.
go to full screen.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father who art in heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. All right. So before we go on to our lesson today, let's recall
Excuse me,
first our
teacher.
classroom
You can
rules.
at that link you can see what the the
Teacher
teacher
is
is.
presenting.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
I
So
see
first
full
we
screen.
have, do you still remember our classroom rules? Okay, we have
Yes,
L
teacher.
for listen. Okay,
Listen.
so it's very
Listen.
important for you, everyone, to listen, especially when the teacher is talking or discussing so that you won't miss any information in the class. Next, we have R.
Respect or raise your hand.
Okay, very good. Respect.
Raise
So,
your hand.
yes,
Respect or
we
raise
need to
your hand.
respect everyone, especially when someone is talking or sharing their answer. We need to respect their opinions as well. And raise your hand if you want to answer. And might as well you use your raise hand icon here in Zoom. All right, that is much appreciated. Okay. Next we have S. Speak the language. Yes. All right, that's great. So as much as possible, let us encourage ourselves to speak in English. Next is participate. Okay.
Participate.
Yes. So in participating, everyone, okay, so please don't answer in chorus later when we have our lesson. I will be calling names so that our lesson will go smoothly. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Next we have
Unnecessary
yes.
things, teacher.
Saying unnecessary things.
No chatting unnecessary. Nothing unnecessary in the chat box.
Yes, exactly. That's right. That's right. Okay. So that's all LRSPN. Okay. All right. So everyone, before we jump into our lesson today, let's review first. So yesterday I gave you an activity about, yes, I gave you an activity. So what was the activity that I gave you yesterday? And I have Andy theories. Hello, Andy.
Uh,
Ah, yes. Hello.
it is lesson for learning task asynchronous class.
Mm-mm. Yes. Yeah, that's right. Okay, what is it all about? The learning task that I gave you. Can I have Milky? Hello? Yes? Okay. So Andy said that yesterday I gave you a learning task. Okay, what was the learning task all about that I gave you yesterday?
About cupcakes and subtractions.
Yes, that's right. Okay, that's right, Milky. Subtracting numbers or subtraction. That's right. So class, from the problem that I presented about Maria, How do you call the subtraction when the digit in a place value you're subtracting from, or the minuend, is larger than the number in a place value you're subtracting to, or the subtrahend? How do we call that subtraction? Okay, can I have Thea Margaret?
Subtraction with regrouping.
Okay, come again, Thea. Subtraction.
Subtraction with regrouping.
Okay, you said subtraction with regrouping. That's a nice try. I appreciate that one. Okay, so again, from the problem I presented about Maria, what do we call the subtraction when the minuend is larger than the subtrahend?
Without regrouping?
Okay, that's great. Correct. So that was Thea. Thank you. Okay, very good. Subtraction without regrouping. Okay. So subtraction without regrouping. Can you please read Johan Javrel?
Okay, teacher. Subtraction without regrouping is when the digit in a place value you're subtracting from minuend is larger than the number in a place value group of the number you're subtracting. Subtrahend.
Okay, thank you for that, Johan. All right, so subtraction without regrouping is simply about when the minuend is larger than the subtrahend. Okay. All right. Now, class, let's look back, okay, to the given numbers about Maria's problem. All right. So we have here 557 minus 342 equals 215. From these numbers, what number is the minuend, or the number from which we subtract? Can I have Angelo Mackey? Hello, Angelo.
Yes, teacher.
Hello, Angelo. Okay, let me repeat. What number is the minuend, or the number from which we subtract? Is it 557, 342, or 215?
557.
Excellent. Good. All right, very good. What about the subtrahend, or the number that we subtract? Can I have Angelo Austin? Yeah, earlier it's Angelo McKeith. Now let's have Angelo Austin.
Yes, teacher.
Hello. Yeah, can you determine what number is the subtrahend in the given? Yeah, subtrahend, or the number that we subtract. The number that we subtract from this number, from minuend.
342.
Very good. That's great. And for the last one, what's the difference, or the answer in subtraction? Yeah, we call difference the answer in subtraction. Can I have James Edgar? Hello, James? Okay, I think. All right, let's just go back to James later. Can I have Sean?
215.
Very good. 215. That is the difference. So, okay, very good. So again, class, the minuend is the number from which we subtract, which is 557. It's the larger amount. Next, subtrahend is the number that we subtract. All right. And the difference is the answer in subtraction. Okay. But class, how to find the difference? How to find the difference? Can I have Zayden.
Is my teacher.
Yeah, can you you can try to answer how to find the difference?
Teacher, I have a question, teacher. It's on the teacher.
Andy.
I can't see the words in the slide here in the class point up teacher.
Okay. You can leave. Okay, you can leave in the class point and let's just focus here in the Zoom. Would that be okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, thank you, Andy. Yes, so earlier I called Zayden. Hello, Zayden. How to find the difference? Okay, okay, let's just go back to Zayden later. Okay, can I have Thea Margaret?
By subtracting the minuend and the subtrahend.
Yes, okay. That can be, that's to find the difference, subtract the subtrahend from the minuend. Okay, but what do we do with the numbers? What do we do
Start
with the
at the
numbers?
ones place.
Okay, we start up with the ones place. Okay,
Subtract. Subtract
yes.
starting at the right place.
Okay. All right. So we find the difference by arranging the numbers in column by aligning the digits according to their place value. Okay, like ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. Okay. So here I have prepared, okay, a place value chart for everyone so that we will have a guide. And this is the given, okay, earlier about Maria's problem. 557 minus 342 is equal to 215. So class, I have a question. All right. What numbers should we put in the ones place? Can I have Mariah? Hello, Mariah?
Teacher.
Hello. Okay, from the given number here, that's one. Okay. What number should we put in ones place? Ones place.
7 and 2.
Very good. That's right. 7 and 2. What about in tens place? Can I have Milky?
5 and 4.
Good job. Very good. 5 and 4. Now let's go on to hundreds place. What about those numbers? What are they? Can I have Casey? Hello, Casey? Okay. All right. Okay, I will just call Casey later. So can I have Avery? Hello, Avery?
Yes.
Hello. Okay, can you determine from the given numbers here, the hundreds, okay, the ones that is located in hundreds place?
5 and 3.
Very good. That's right. 5 and 3. Okay, that's good. So now, all right, everyone, where should we start subtracting? Where should we start subtracting? From, okay, can I have Sean?
From the ones place.
Very good. From the ones place. All right. So let's start with the ones place. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Very good. And next, what? Okay, what numbers should we subtract next? Can I have
5 minus 4.
yeah, 5 and 4. Very good. 5 minus 4, that is 1. Yes. And for the last one, what numbers should we subtract next?
5 minus
5 minus 3.
5 minus 3. That is?
minus 3
Yes,
equals
that
2. 5
is
minus
2. Very good.
Equals 2.
So, all right. So what's the difference here? What's the difference? Can I have Abigail? Hello, Abigail. Okay, I will just have Abigail later. Okay, can I have Lanika? Hello, Lanika.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, yeah, what's the difference here in the given numbers? It's the difference or the answer in subtraction. It's hello?
215.
Yes, excellent. That's right, 215. Okay, so class, you need to remember to get the difference of two numbers, we must follow these steps. Number 1, arrange the numbers in column by aligning the digits according to their place value. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and so on. Okay, in that way, you can subtract, okay, smoothly and correctly. Number 2, subtract the corresponding digits from right to left. Okay, from right to left, so we start with the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. Next, regroup when necessary. All right. Also, fun fact, everyone, subtraction is the opposite or inverse of addition. Also, we can always check our answer by adding the subtrahend and the difference to get the minuend, as addition is the inverse of subtraction. All right, so class, subtraction is the opposite or inverse of addition. How? For example, let's have here. Earlier, we have an example. 557 minus 345 is equal to, okay, this is 5 and then 1 and 2. So 215. So subtraction is the inverse of addition. How are they related? How do we check? Okay, so to check for that, if our answer is correct, everyone, let's add, okay, let's add the subtrahend and the difference. So that is 345 plus 215, 5 plus 5, that is, okay, can you please answer? Isaiah, Isaiah. Okay, I will just continue this one. All right. So 5 plus 5. Okay, I'm sorry. This is number 2. Okay. Let me correct that one. So, okay. I'm sorry for that. So it's 242 plus 215. So we got the answer of 2 plus 5, that is 7. 4 plus 1, that is 5. And 3 plus 2, that is 5. So our answer is correct. I mean here, right? So that's how you check it. Okay. All right. So now let's subtract without regrouping. Okay, I have here an example. I will read. Mr. Cruz has 4,986 seedlings. He was able to plant 2,354 seedlings yesterday. How many seedlings were left? All right. So what we should do first? What we should do first? Okay. Can I have Thea?
Arrange the numbers in column.
Excellent. That's right. So first thing to do, let's arrange the numbers in column like this. Okay, please observe. I'm sorry. Okay, this one. Next, what place value should we start subtracting? Milky?
On the 6 and 4.
6 and 4, that is ones place. So let's start. Okay. So 6 minus 4. Okay, you can answer using your mic.
2. 2,
Everyone.
teacher.
2, very good.
2.
All right. Next, let's subtract the what place value?
10.
Tens, very good. So 8 minus 5, that is
3.
3. Very good. Yes,
Three.
that's right. Next, yes. Next, let's have what place value?
Hundreds.
100.
100.
Is 9
100.
minus 3. 9 minus 3.
6. 6.
Very good. Yes, that's right. And after the hundreds place, what place value should we subtract?
Thousand.
Thousands.
Thousands
That
place.
is 4 minus
Thousands.
2 is equal to
2.
2.
2.
Very good. That's right. Okay. So, Neos, what's the difference, Neos?
2,632.
Very good. The difference is 2,632. All right, excellent. Now, I have here another example. Take away 37,380 from 78,595. What is the result? Okay. So, what is the subtraction sentence for this? What is the subtraction sentence? Okay. Like how you write it in a horizontal way. Can you please answer Andy theories? Hello, Andy.
Yes, teacher.
Oh, hello, Andy. Okay, from the given numbers here in the example, what is the subtraction sentence?
Is not on 5 minus 37. It will equal 7.
Okay. All right. I hope I heard it right. Okay, that is 78,595 minus 37,380 is equal to n. So now we have to find for the n. Okay. So what is the result? Okay, let's subtract. Okay, so now class, you can also use your mic in answering. Okay, so let's start with the ones place. 5 minus 0.
5.
5.
Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, 5. Okay, so let's have it here. 5. 9 minus 8.
1.
1. Very good. 5 minus
One.
3. 5 minus 3.
2.
2.
2. Very good. Now let's proceed. 8 minus 7.
1.
Okay. And lastly, 7 minus 3.
4.
4. Okay. So the difference here is 41,215. Wow. Excellent. Good job. Okay. So now let's proceed. I have here another example. Lita Lita has 96,874 fashion magazines. Her friends borrowed 53,462 of it. How many magazines were left? Yeah, how many magazines were left? What is the subtraction sentence for this? Like what we did earlier. Can you please answer, Marie Antoinette? Hello, Marie.
Teacher.
Yeah, hello, Marie. Can you please answer what is the subtraction sentence in the given problem here?
What, teacher?
Okay, can you please answer what is the subtraction sentence?
96,874 minus 53,462 equals N.
Wow, very good. That's right. Okay, that's correct. Very good. Thank you so much for that, Marie. Okay, so that is 96,874 minus 53,462 is equal to N. Now let's find for the N. Okay, so now let's subtract. Okay, 4 minus 2.
2.
2.
Very good. 7
Two.
minus 6.
1.
1.
Very well. 8 minus 4.
4.
4.
4. Next, 6 minus 3.
3.
3.
3.
9 minus 5.
4.
4.
So the
Four.
difference here is 43,412.
412.
Yes, excellent job. Very good. Okay. So this time, I have here another example. Okay. So, all right. So now, okay, for those students who is in the class point, okay, please don't write anything on the screen. Okay, thank you. All right. Marnie has 432 marbles. She gave 248 of it to her brother. How many marbles are left? Okay, so here, what we should do first? The first thing to do, can I have Dion Bell? Hello, Dion.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is the first thing to do here to solve?
432 minus 248 equals N.
Okay, yeah, that is the subtraction sentence. Okay, so how do we arrange them? We arrange them by, okay, here, according to their, okay, by column, according to their place value. Okay, so, all right, so we have here, yeah, so we have here what's the minuend here? What number is the minuend? Yeah, you can answer using your mic.
432.
432.
Yes, okay. What about the subtrahend? What number?
248.
248.
Yes, 248. Yes, that's right. That's right. All right. So we align them, we arrange them according to their place value. Ones place, 2 and 8. Tens place, 3 and 4. And hundreds place, 4 and 2. Now, let's subtract ones place, right? Okay, let's subtract ones place. So the ones place here is 2 and 8. Okay. Class, can we subtract 8 from 2?
No.
Yes.
No.
No, we cannot subtract. Then what should we do next? If we cannot subtract. Yes, okay. So instead, yes,
From 3.
yes, very good. All of you got the correct answer for that. So let's regroup. Okay, let's use the term regroup. Okay, what numbers shall we regroup? That is, let's regroup 3 tens and 2 ones. So what will happen to the 3 tens? It becomes
2.
tens. Excellent, excellent. And the 2 ones will become
12.
excellent job. Very good. It becomes 12 because we regroup it. Okay, now can we subtract 8 from 12? Yes, that's right. So 12 minus 8
4.
are very good. That's right. Now we are done with the ones place. We are done with the ones place. Let's go next to tens place. Okay. The given here in tens place is 3 and 4. But 3 now is already 2. Okay. So the given here is 2 and 4. Can we subtract 4 from 2?
No.
Yes. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's right. No, we cannot. So what should we do then?
Borrow from 4.
Okay. All right. So everyone, let's use the term regroup. Okay. Yes. But okay, I appreciate all of you answering borrow. Yeah. All right. So now let's regroup 4 hundreds. Okay. And 2 tens. What will happen to the 4 hundreds? That becomes 300. Okay. And 2 tens, that becomes
12.
12 tens. That's right. Okay. Now, can we subtract 4 from 12?
Yes.
Yes, that's right. 12 minus 4?
It's 8. Because 8.
Very good. Yes. Now, we are done with the tens place. We are done with the tens place. What about, now let's proceed to hundreds place. 3, can we subtract 2 from 3? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So 3 minus 2, that is?
Equals 1.
1. Yeah, very good. Very good. So the difference here is 184. Yeah, very good, everyone. I saw your messages here. Yes, that's right. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
sorry, I'm late, teacher, because our internet connection is lost.
Okay, who is this? I'm sorry.
Abigail, teacher.
Abigail. Ah, yes, dear. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I called you earlier, but it's fine. It's fine. I understand. Okay. So if you cannot say, all right, yeah, you can just type your answer on the chat box. Okay. So very good, everyone. So what we did earlier is that there are not enough ones in 2 minus 8. So what we did, we need to regroup 3 tens and 2 ones into 2 tens and 12 ones. Now we can subtract the ones. Okay, just disregard this number. Okay, so here, yeah, we answered here earlier. Okay, I'm sorry for that. So now, what do you call the subtraction wherein we exchange ones into tens and so on? This also happens when the minuend is smaller than the subtrahend. Now, what do we call that subtraction?
Subtraction with regrouping.
Okay.
Subtraction with regrouping.
Yes. All right. So very
With
good. Yeah, I showed the slide, okay, before answering, but I know you are familiar with this already, or some of you encountered this one before. Yeah, that is subtraction with regrouping. So subtraction with the regrouping, it is a process of exchanging 1 tens into 10 ones and so on. We use regrouping in subtraction when the minuend is smaller than the subtrahend. Like what we did earlier. All right, the minuend in the ones place is 2 and 8. So here, as what it said, minuend is smaller than the subtrahend. Okay, if you notice that kind of situation, we need to regroup. Okay, that's the time we need to regroup. Okay, all right. Now, things to remember: to subtract 3 to 4 digit numbers from 4 to 5 digit numbers with the regrouping, we do the following. Number one, compare the digits in the minuend and subtrahend. You need to locate, or you need to observe, okay? Then, next, I'm sorry. Okay. Next, start subtracting from the ones place, then tens, hundreds, and so on. Next, if the subtrahend is in the hundreds place is greater than the minuend, regroup 1000. Okay, that's the time we need to regroup 1000. And fourth, rename the hundreds place and the thousands place, then subtract up to the last digit until you find the difference. Okay, and number 5, to check, add the difference and the subtrahend. Okay, all right. So, okay, now I have here an example. Okay, number 1. Let's subtract with regrouping. 68,000 minus 9,986.
Equals N.
Is equal to n. Yeah, I'm sorry for that. Yeah, 68,000 minus 9,986 is equal to n. Okay, let's subtract together. Let's have it. Oh my God. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, so I have here. Okay, the given is 68 68,000 minus 9,986. Let's subtract the ones place. What numbers are in the ones place?
0 and 6.
0 and 6. Yes. Can we subtract
6.
6 from 0?
No.
No. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, Diane Bell, it's okay. You have low internet connection. Yeah. Okay. I understand. It's okay. All right. So what should we do next, class? We cannot subtract 6 from 0. What? Okay. Regroup. Yes. Yes, regroup. All right. Can we regroup 0 in the tens place?
No.
Oh, because it's
No,
stuck
teacher.
in the hundreds place.
No.
Because
No, teacher.
Okay, all right. I'm sorry, I deleted it. All right. So what number then we should regroup?
8.
Okay, good. Yes, 8. 8 in the thousands place. So we regroup 8. Okay. That becomes, all right. That becomes 7,000. Okay. And 0 hundreds, that becomes 10. All right. But since the Yes, but since the tens place here is 0, we need to regroup again this one. So it becomes 900. Very good. So the tens place becomes 10. But we also need to regroup. So it becomes 9. Okay. All right. And the 0 ones will become 10. 10 ones. Now, can we subtract 6 from 10?
Yes.
Yes. 10 minus 6.
Teacher.
4. Very good. Next, can we subtract 8 from 9? Okay. 9 minus 8. 1. Very good. Okay. Now let's proceed to hundreds place. Can we subtract 9 and 9?
Yes.
The answer is? Yes, very good. 0. Okay. Now let's proceed to the thousands place. So the thousands place here is 7. Can we subtract 9 from 7? No. What did we do? We regroup what number? 6. Very good. So 6 becomes 5. And 7 becomes 17. Now, 17 minus 9.
5.
Okay, again, 17 minus 9.
8.
Yes, exactly. That's number 8. Now, since number 5 here in this place value doesn't have a number here, we should, we just bring down number 5 directly. Okay. Yes, very good. So what's the difference here in example number 1?
58,014.
Okay, 58,014. Okay, very good. All right, so good job. Thank you for that. Okay. All right. Now, let's have number 2 example. 53,442 minus 18,985.
Equals 10.
Okay, yes, it's equal to n. All right. Now let's solve for it. Okay, you can actually type your answer on the chat box. Okay, I will write it again for you. We have here 53,442 minus 18,985. Okay, all right. So, okay. Yeah, you can type your answers on the chat box while we are subtracting here. So let's start. Let's have here. Let's start with the ones place. Okay, see. All right. Yeah, you can write it in the paper. All right, let's subtract together. Let's subtract here together. Okay. Can we subtract 5 from 2?
No.
What should we do?
No.
Okay, what number should we do? Oh, we regroup.
We
Yes.
You need
Okay.
borrow some phone.
Yes, regroup 4
Teacher Giselle,
tens.
sorry, can I come in?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now I'm following that one and it's really very impressive. Now I'd like to check really if the kids do understand what regrouping means. No, sige kids, can somebody tell me the correct way of saying regroup in this case? Sige, what number or what digit should we regroup?
4.
Sige, how do we say that? We regroup. Can somebody tell me how to say it properly? Regroup what? Regroup. Borrow from 4. Okay, so this is how we say it properly, class, ha? We regroup 4 tens. Okay, diba? 4 is in the tens place, right? So in other words, there are 4 tens there. So what we do is we regroup 4 tens into 3 tens. Sige, 3 tens and sige, what happens now to the 4th 10? Di ba supposed to be upat man naka-tens diha nya, nagihimo na lang natong 3, no? Atong gi-regroup 3 na lang. So nay nahabilin nga usa. Asa man nato ibutang ang 110?
Sa ones place.
Very good, Casey. We put it right. We put it in the ones place, and the 110s become 10 ones plus the 2 existing ones. It now becomes 12 ones. Do you understand, class?
Yes.
Yes,
teacher.
Very good.
Yes,
So in
sir,
other words,
teacher.
right? So in other words, to make it easier, we say we regroup 4 tens in 4 tens and 2 ones into 3 tens and 12 ones. So now, since we already have 12 ones, we can deduct 5 from 12. Do we understand that, class?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. Let's try. Sige, 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. Very good.
7.
All right, now let's move on. 3 in the tens place cannot be subtracted by 8, correct?
Yes.
Very good. So now, sige, now what do? We
Regroup.
sige, very good. Tell me what number are we going to regroup?
400.
Regroup the 4 in the 100.
Right. So how are we going to say it? We regroup 400s into 300s. Sige, 300s and 13 tens. Right.
13 tens.
Since we already have 13 tens now, can we deduct 8 tens from the 13 tens?
Yes.
So what's the answer, class?
Yes.
What's the answer? 13 minus 8 is?
5.
5. Very good. Now let's move on. Can we deduct 9 from 3?
No.
Right. So what are we going to do?
Teacher.
Sige, what are we going to do? We regroup what number? Right. Sige, can you tell me how? Sige, how do we say it properly, be? We regroup 3,000s into 2,000s and 1,300s. Right. Sige, 1,300s minus 900s.
4.
400. Very good. Sige, Teacher Giselle, will you continue, please?
Thank you, sir. All right, thank you, students. Okay, so now let's continue. Can we subtract 8 here from 2?
No.
Should we do that? Okay.
5,000 into 4,000.
Class, is that 5,000s, class?
It's 5,
10,000.
10,000. Okay.
5 is the 10,000.
All right. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay. All right. So we have here 5. So let's regroup 5.
50,000.
Regroup from
Okay.
1,000 to
5. All right. Into
4,000.
4. Okay. And 2,000 into
12,000.
12,000. All right. Now
12,000.
12 minus 8. What? Okay, 12 minus 8 class.
4.
4. Very good.
4.
Now, can we subtract 1 from 4 here?
4. Yes.
Yes. Okay. 4 minus 1.
It's
3.
Okay, very good. So can you all please read the difference here? The difference is
34,407.
okay. Excellent. All right. Thank you. All right. Okay. So now let's have our activity. Okay. So analyze and solve the following problems. Okay. Let's have number 1. So in this case, you can write your answer on the paper, or you can also type in the chat box. Okay. Let's have number 1. Anna bought 78 apples yesterday. She gave Lito 36 apples the next day. How many apples does Anna have now? Okay, okay, Elijah, you're writing it in your paper. Okay, I saw an answer here already. All right, Othea is showing the paper answered. Okay. All right, so the answer, class, is 42. Yes, very good. Now let's do that. So 78 minus 36. Okay, so 8 minus 6. 2. All right. 7 minus 3.
4.
4. So the answer is 42. Yes, very good. Now let's move on. Yeah, very good. I can see all of your answers here. Oh, good job, Milky. That's nice. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Okay. All right. Number 2, Maria has 495 storybooks in her house. She donated 273 of it. How many storybooks were left? So let's have 495 minus 273. Okay, I saw an answer here. Thank you. Oh, good job. All right, others are showing their answers on the screen. Others are typing their answers on the chat box. Nate, Casey, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, I can see. I can see your answer, dear.
How about my teacher?
All right. Yeah, I can see here Milky, Elisa, and everyone. The others who did not have like a paper, you can just type your answer in the chat box. So what's the answer? Okay,
222.
Yes.
Storybooks.
Wow, good job. Yeah, that's right. 322 books. Okay, storybooks. Now let's proceed to number 3. We have, there are 988 students who joined the sports activity. Okay, 321 of it were boys. How many girls are there? How many girls are there? Oh, good job. Okay, I see answers on the chat box and on the screen as well. Okay. Excellent job, students. Okay, so let's solve for that. 988 minus 321. So the answer is
667.
yes, 667.
667.
Okay, very good. Yeah, Casey, I can see your answer. All right, very good. That's nice. You remember, okay, what place value to start subtracting. Okay, now let's go on to number 4. Okay, there are 9,749 frogs in the pond. Mark captured 6,312 of it. How many frogs were left in the pond?
9 minus 2 is 7. 9, 8, 7. 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 minus 3, 7. 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4. And 9 minus 6 is 3. There's space.
I can hear. All right. Okay, let me write that. Okay. We have 9,749
There's spaceman in the thousands place. They type it. Like space.
minus
Space.
6,312.
37.
Okay. Yeah, I saw answers here and on the screen as well. Oh, good job, everyone. Okay.
Pesos. It's not pesos.
All right. I see answers of Neos here, Thea, Milky, Casey, as well as on the chat box. Yes, I can see your answers on the screen. So the answer.
Can you see my teacher?
Yes.
My teacher.
Yeah, I can see it. Thank you. Okay, so the answer is 3,437. Yes, okay.
3,437.
Okay, very good. That's great. Now, let's have number 5. Okay, we have here Reyes family planted 95,775 mahogany seedlings in their farm. After several years, they found out that only 72,344 seedlings grew into a healthy one and the rest died. How many seedlings died? Okay, you sold 4. The seedlings died. How many seedlings? Okay, I saw answers here on the chat box and others are answering on the paper. Take your time. Okay. All right, I see your answer, Neos. Very good. And everyone as well, Sean, Ken, Roy, Giselle, Angela, Avery, Mariah, Yuan, Dion, Thea, and everyone. Zayden, Marie, okay, Thea as well, Eliza, Casey are answering. Very good. Milky, good job. All right, Val, also I saw your answer here. Diane, Andy Therese. Okay, also Ken Jacob is showing his answer. Elijah as well, Ken Benedict. Okay, Thea Margaret, I saw your answer here on the chat box. Okay, very good. And Kadisha as well. All right, Micah and everyone. Thank you. So what's the answer? Okay, what's the answer? What's the difference? How many seedlings died?
23,431.
Okay, very good. All right. So we subtract. Okay, we subtract 72,344 from 95,755. So that is 23,431. So these are the seedlings died, a lot of it. Okay, very good. Thank you everyone for that. All of you answered correctly. Okay, so now let's review. Okay, so from our activity that we had earlier, okay, what do you call a subtraction when the digit in a place value you're subtracting from is larger than the number in the subtrahend? What do we call the subtraction when the minuend is larger than the subtrahend? Okay, once more.
Subtraction
Group with regrouping.
Subtraction with regrouping.
Okay, oh, all right. That,
with regrouping.
that's
Regrouping.
all right. Actually, okay, I appreciate your answers. Okay, so that is subtraction without regrouping. Okay, when the minuend is larger. Okay, do you still remember when the minuend is larger than the subtrahend? Okay, when the minuend is larger, so we can subtract it. So we don't need to regroup. Okay. All right. So when do we use regrouping in subtraction?
When the minuend is smaller than when the minuend
Is smaller than the subtrahend.
Yes. Okay, that's right. Okay. We use regrouping in subtraction when the minuend is smaller than the subtrahend. Okay, very well. All right. So everyone, do you have any questions?
No
Teacher.
Okay.
No
So,
teacher.
all right. For your activity, for your task, answer the practice section on your math book, page 93, numbers 1 to 17. Okay. So don't worry for those who do not have a book. I will just upload a picture of the activity so that you will have a guide. Okay, yeah, it's a bit blurry here, but anyways, I will provide a clearer one in the Google Classroom. I will just upload it. Okay, so this is your task practice section in your math book, and also open your book on page 94 and answer enrichment part, numbers 1 to 5. Okay, so take a photo of your answers and upload it in our Google Classroom. Okay, all right. So anyways, I will just upload this task in our Google Classroom later so that you can start answering. Okay? All right.
Excuse me,
Are,
teacher.
okay, are there any questions?
No questions.
No questions, teacher. When is the due of the
Yes. I heard.
assignment, teacher?
Okay, thank you for answering. I almost forgot. So the deadline for the task is Tuesday next week. That is October 5, 2021 at 11:59 p.m. So you
Okay,
have
teacher.
1 week to do it. Okay. All right. Any other questions?
No more teacher. No more
Teacher.
Okay. All right.
No more
Okay, thank
questions,
you.
teacher.
Okay.
All right, no other questions na. All right, so thank you everyone for participating and for attending our lesson today. I hope you learned. Okay, I hope you learned from our lesson today.
Yes, teacher.
Thank you.
Teacher
Great.
Giselle.
Yes, sir.
Sure, before we end, sure, we will show the winners of the math jingle. Kids, are you excited to know who are the winners of the math jingle?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Right, very good. So,
Yeah, so you don't.
Yes, teacher.
yeah, so kanang napamatay time 11 pa man, no? And supposed to be
Okay.
max ko na to is 11:30 man, so we still have enough time. Right now we will be showing you the winners of our sige, asa man akong screen. Wa man ako.
Okay, I will just.
Sige, please go teacher teacher Giselle. We will show first our top 3, no, or our 3rd place. Sige, teacher Giselle, please do the honor. And our 3rd placer is
All right. For a while.
sige. So while teacher Giselle is preparing, I'd like to congratulate everybody for a job well done for your math jingle. Everybody give yourselves a virtual applause. Sige, those who have screens, you can show your applause to yourselves. No, very good kaayo. And also thank you as well, no, to your parents, guardians, sisters, or anybody else who helped you in preparing for your jingle. So impressed kayo ang mga judges. All the teachers were the judges. Your entries were judged fairly. Okay. Sige. So
Okay. All right.
yeah.
Are you ready?
Sir, i-kuandaan ang sound lang, sir. I-share ang, don't forget to click the share sound.
Okay, sir. Can you see the screen, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, natay sound for this one.
I can't hear.
Okay.
Mute.
Okay, let's. All right. Can you hear everyone?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Sure. Math is my favorite subject. I've learned so many things, like Roman numerals, rounds and off, and Philippine bills and coins. Learning math is really cool. Come join me as I sing this song. My favorite is math, 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 math. It is so cool and fun, 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 fun. Together we will try, 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 try our best to learn new things in math. For sure it's not an eeny, meeny, miny, mo answer. For sure it's not an eeny, meeny, miny, mo number. For sure it's not an eeny, meeny, miny, mo answer. Let's do math and have some fun. My favorite is math, 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 math. It is so cool and fun, 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 fun. Together we will try, 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 try our best to learn new things in math. For sure it's not an eeny, meeny, miny, mo answer. For sure it's not an eeny, meeny, miny, mo number. For sure it's not an eeny, meeny, miny, mo answer. For sure it's not an eeny, meeny, miny, mo number. Let's do math and have some fun.
All right, congratulations, Avery. That was our third placer, teacher, no? Teacher Giselle, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, Avery. Let's give a big round of applause. Let's congratulate Avery. Wow, very nice voice, no? With Avery, you really memorized the lyrics. The lyrics is very fit, good sa kung ano, all the learnings that you had so far, no, in grade 3 or math grade 3. Very good. Congratulations, Avery. Now, teacher Giselle, let us
Okay, now
show
let's have
second place.
The second place.
No sounds, sure. Enjoy the band. Counting numbers is the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then clap your hands and roll your head when you are done.
What is
Addition,
that?
subtraction, math is fun. Yeah, how the life goes on. Addition, subtraction, math is fun.
Almost
Yeah,
done.
how the life goes on.
It's right.
Math numbers, I know it's not so hard. You just have to follow simple rules. Bling! If you see a number that is greater than 5, then you just have to round them up. And rounding off, numbers up, simple rules. Yeah, la la, how the life goes on. Rounding up, numbers up, simple rules. Yeah, la la, how the life goes on. In mathematics, you can learn a lot of knowledge. Roman numerals and normal numbers, the Philippine coin and bills. Learning math is fun, come on and join the band. Counting numbers is just a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then clap your hands and roll your head when you are done. Addition, subtraction, math is fun. Yeah, la la, the life goes on. Addition, subtraction, math is fun. Yeah, la la, the life goes on. Addition, subtraction, math is fun. Yeah, la la, the life goes on. Thank you.
Wow, congratulations, Roy. Our second place is
Thank
Roy.
you, teacher. Congrats, Roy.
Roy, you have a very nice voice.
Congrats, Roy.
I did not know that you sing very well, Roy. Congratulations. Beautiful song, beautiful singing, beautiful voice, and nice lyrics too. And right now, our first place, Casey. All right, congratulations, Casey.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Congrats, Casey.
Wow, amazing. No, cute. Are those your siblings, Casey?
Yes, but the girl is my cousin.
Okay, amazing moral support, no, from your family out there.
They
Wow,
wanted to join
congratulations.
me.
So congratulations to the winners. For the rest class, actually, the teachers really had a hard time deciding who would be the winners because all of your entries are very, very good. No? So if wala man galing na nasunod sa top 3, it's okay. No hurt feelings for that because you all did very great. For sure, you will have very good grades for your math jingle entries, no? So congratulations, everyone. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for putting all your effort in making your jingle very, very nice. To all of you, congratulations. And of course, to the winners, congratulations as well. No, I did not realize my grade 3B class are very, very talented. Very much impressed. No, I'm very much impressed with your performance, no, with your beautiful voice. Amazing. And even your jingle, unsay tawag ini, ang lyrics mismo sa inyong mga songs, no, very, very amazing. So congratulations. Congratulations as well to all of those who have helped you. No, so congratulations, everyone. And so with that, I would like to say goodbye and thank you, grade 3B.
Bye,
Bye,
teacher.
teacher.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
And thank you, teacher. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
All right, Casey, I will remove you in the Zoom room, huh? And also Abigail. And also Mariah. All right. Good morning, teachers. Isa ako sa staff.